Who should use Relay Bank? Have you ever been frustrated with your bank? Maybe you've been charged hidden fees, had to wait in long lines, or dealt with slow customer service. If so, you're not alone. Millions of people are looking for a better banking experience. In this video, we're going to talk about Relay Bank, a new type of bank that is designed to meet the needs of modern consumers. Relay Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Who is Relay Bank for? Relay Bank is for anyone who is looking for a better banking experience. This includes people who are frustrated with their current bank, looking for a more convenient way to bank, want to save money on banking fees, interested in using a bank that is committed to sustainability. What are the benefits of using Relay Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Relay Bank, including no hidden fees. Relay Bank doesn't charge any hidden fees, such as overdraft fees or monthly service fees. Convenient, you can access your account from anywhere in the world using the Relay Bank app. Save money. Relay Bank offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts. Sustainable. Relay Bank is committed to sustainability and is working to reduce its environmental impact. How does Relay Bank work? Relay Bank is a digital bank, so you won't have to visit a physical branch. Instead, you'll create an account online and use the Relay Bank app to manage your finances. What are the features of Relay Bank? Relay Bank offers a variety of features, including checking accounts. Relay Bank offers a variety of checking accounts, including high-yield checking accounts and interest-bearing checking accounts. Savings accounts. Relay Bank offers a variety of savings accounts, including high-yield savings accounts and CDs. Credit cards. Relay Bank offers a variety of credit cards, including cashback credit cards and travel rewards credit cards. Mobile banking. You can access your account from anywhere in the world using the Relay Bank app. Online banking. You can access your account online from your computer or laptop. How do I sign up for Relay Bank? Signing up for Relay Bank is easy. Simply visit the Relay Bank website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Once you've submitted your information, you'll be able to create your account and start using Relay Bank. If you're looking for a better banking experience, I highly recommend checking out Relay Bank. Relay Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Relay Bank is also committed to sustainability and is working to reduce its environmental impact. If you're interested in learning more about Relay Bank, please visit our website or give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.